Hello and welcome in lesson 3 for Let's Learn Urdu. Today we are going to learn 2 more alphabet, which is D and C. So let's start. So first we are going to learn how to write them. So it goes down straight and at the top, and it got this symbol on top of it. It called T. T is a little bit heavier than T. It's heavier than the letter T, which we'll learn in a last lesson. T. When T comes in beginning, it looks like this. When it comes in the middle, it's just like T. T is also is similar, except T had got 2 dots and T has a letter on top of it. The word we can make with it is T and alif and T. It's dot, which is carpet. When it comes in the middle, say M, alif. Lam, we haven't learned that letter yet. And T and alif again. So it's Malta, which is, there is a country called Malta, but this Malta is a fruit, orange. And another word which T comes at the end is P. Plate, which means plate. And plate. Okay. The next letter we're going to learn today is C. You got 3 dots at the top. Do you remember in our second lesson we learned a letter which looks like this, but it got the dots, 3 dots at the bottom. P, and this is C. And it sounds like S. C don't have many words, but I can still tell you how it comes in the beginning, middle, and the end. More or less like T. So when it comes in the beginning, it looks like this. In the middle, looks like this, and at the end, it looks like that. So The word I find for you is s and alif, b, which we learn in the first lesson, and the sa, but, which mean whole. Sa, but. Another word I found for you as well, which has got the se at the end, is a sa, s, asas, which mean furniture or things. Things or furniture. Another word is s, la, s again. Salas, salas, which mean third. This is end of our Bay family. The letters Bay family mean the letter from B to C. In the next lesson, we are going to learn from Jim, J, He, and He, and how we can write them and the sound of them. Thanks for watching.